always lying.
I'm here, boys.
I pulled off. Heard that.
The second one. I'm gonna the second one.
Oh fuck! I just got jump scared. I need our audio, bro. Holy shit.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Shifty, you safe or no?
Yep.
I'm gonna go try to get a little kill for this.
Alright, hold on, I'm about
I'm laying on the scabby.
Back on station. Good work.
Actually, I have a couple on me now.
Ready.
That time.
Box is down. One
I'm
to
safe
go.
right now, so just eat. You're good?
Yeah.
Nah, chat. This is. I moved my setup. It's just like you see more of my room now instead of a corner.
Three on me, actually.
You're getting another
Are they
chance.
weak?
Make it
One
count.
is.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Sniper right here.
Hurt.
That guy was
One
hurt.
left. There's one left.
Okay.
He's running away. Might be stuffing in my second floor though.
I'm gonna grab this.
Okay.
Contract
Yeah, it's stuff
complete.
in there.
All supply boxes
We have enough voice.
down. Marking the rest of them.
Right?
Crack knock. Went in the air. Land on you. Land on you some shit.
Back there. Alright, we're going by.
By a
Sniper
front
behind.
control.
He's sniping from the tower. He hits a shot.
Yours?
Dead.
Cracked one.
In there. Back.
I'm gonna land on the roof.
Holy shit. Whole different team here.
I'm
my money on the buy.
Got sniped on.
Back on roof.
Did you drop money on buy?
One shot on me.
Gas is moving. We got a loadout drop in.
That tower's still sniping us.
Ow.
Stuffers right here.
I just said
Got it.
I'm gonna try to get like.
I think he died on that roof.
Are there more people here?
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah,
on the-
across on the
okay.
rooftops.
Sniper over here.
Can't ping it. The house is deeper than that building.
One shot on the roof.
All squad members are in the safe zone.
Those guys on the roof in front of me.
Why was he shooting at me? What the fuck?
One shot, one shot.
Man locked in, yellow plate.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill this guy though.
I got all you.
Knocked him.
Located
Below my building.
Requesting close air.
Run away, run away. Go in the blue.
Weak.
I'm gonna go all the way around.
About to get dirted on. Dead.
I got sniped from Gamos.
No joy.
Here, right looking at me.
Watch
I got one bullet.
What an
remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good
I'm gonna try to
kill.
run up the
Marking
side.
the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting.
Get above him. I got both of them cracked. One on you cracked and then one was on me
Yeah.
cracked.
He's up the stairs on me. Stop.
In the window.
I have a whole team on me now.
Friendly UAV is tracking target.
One shot,
yeah,
Hector comes
yeah.
out. I bought him.
Hostile Guardian has been deployed.
Dead.
Where's the guy? Where
This
was
guy's
this guy?
teammates all the way on his Lodi. Or on our Lodi over there on the right.
I think that might have been the guy
Hunt
that was
down the
here.
rest of them.
Careful. I could look at you.
Oh, cracked. I got sniped from top prison. Try and nade me.
I got idea to show you. Bullet.
Dropping into the AO.
I'm gonna never use this gun again.
One top prison.
Ready?
Boom. Nobody. Yeah. Top prison on the other side now.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get
I'm gonna
hunting.
go get a different gun. Watch this guy right here.
Holy
Got him. And does that, and then I don't know if it's...
Marking the rest of them.
Hold on.
Bro, I swear to God, snipers, dude.
Dude, I'm in war right now.
Like, how are people sniping while they fucking have flinch, bro?
These are up top.
Gas is inbound.
Visual on an X-ray.
I mean, dumb.
X-ray spotted.
I'm gonna go out over this guy. Is he all the way up, D?
Be advised, there's an enemy squad gunning for you.
Oh, there's like 3 on me. This is the room right
All
here.
right, your squad.
They're just terrible players, dude.
Just holding like there's gonna be so many on me.
Really?
And we located the rest.
It's a war zone.
Crack
here.
flying on you? Oh, he fell down.
We located the rest of them.
Nice, another one. Cracked, dead.
Solid work evading the enemy.
Get that kill for me.
Knock.
Oh, nice, baby. That's one here. We can wipe, right?
Yeah.
That's him.
Down. Marking the rest
Back.
of them.
Hey. That guy is...
Someone shooting
I
over
need
us.
help with like, you guys
That's
are far.
Different teams right here, okay?
Knocked one. Another one there.
Guys weak right there. Second floor. Hi, Mark. I'm gonna go for that guy. On the guy second floor.
In zone over here, resing.
Yeah, that was the...
Knocked. Another one. Cracked. Dead.
Oh, you baby.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, that's building. I'm gonna go, okay?
Yeah, he's on roof. One just landed on your roof.
Come to me.
Money on your roof?
Multiple. Dead. Shot.
Enemy
One down low, one on the... That's one on your floor, that one that you're looking at.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Your
You
squad
get
mates
sniped?
back on station. Good work.
See my full got sniped.
Get hunting. Enemy soldier.
Did you clear these guys?
They died.
Located the rest of them.
I'm going rogue. Good shit, shifty.
Yep. You try to farm now.
Top 7.
Ready? Guys,
There's,
on
yeah, 2.
top or down low?
Down low.
Move it.
They went with the drone.
Backed up there.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god, you can kill
Ready?
both these guys. One's knocked on my ping.
Some of your squads outside the safe zone.
Resing.
Got spy drones in your AO. Handle them. Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
Got 'em.
You got reinforcements inbound.
I die here, boys.
Get out.
In the storm right now. R.
No, I mean, I'm dead, bro. Like, they're just watching our loadie.
All drones neutralized. That's what I like to see. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Dead, boys.
Good loot on you, Shifty?
I might be able to get you some loot from those guys. Might need some weapons though.
Good, that guy, nice.
I did. I knocked
Guy's
him
laying down.
You get loot right here.
Yeah,
Supply crate.
You keep
behind
looking
that
at that.
fucking turret.
Yeah.
A striker?
Hey, that was good loot.
Your squad mates back on station.
Lying on our roof right there?
Enemies
Yeah.
are dropping into the area.
Team, I think.
Guys,
Watch that light one. One right there. I don't see another one. I'm gonna land above. Okay.
Yeah.
Right here. Like much.
20, dead.
Goodbye, Lodi. I'm dropping my money.
Underneath you guys on the buy station, okay?
Behind us, behind us. Right here, freeze. Someone's under us too.
Drops on the
I
Yeah.
heard that.
Someone's on top of that roof.
way. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Bottom left. 20.
Knock.
Sounds like right below us.
And they're coming up, I think.
Semtex out.
Before.
I don't know.
Guy on the door, I think.
Got him,
Yeah.
I got him.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, another one. What the fuck?
2 in zone, rotating now.
I can't get to that on the map.
See him on the left. They're here. Well, on this.
Yeah.
Well, on this, yeah.
10. Win this thing.
I'll play on this with
On the heady.
Right out.
you. Got it.
What the fuck? They're wallbanging this whole shack.
Bloody hell, you're right. Shot.
Bro, what are they rocking, bro?
Get your squad to the
They're
safe
shooting
zone.
through the entire wall.
Gets left
Oh, this
behind.
wall is wall bangable.
Clearly.
They're wallbanging the shack and the wall, bro. That's just crazy.
You can combine to try and get a PA. Join money? Everyone join money?
Here, here.
I don't know. Yeah.
Wait, what? You're right, bro.
I beat Jay again, bro.
I got something for him, Royce.
They just brought back, yo, being this guy.
What's it got? Weak. Dark.
20.
I'm done.
Yeah, you got this.
I got PA these.
One shot, knock.
Nice. Another one. Where the guy where knocked here down on the red crate? Right here in the red crate.
I knocked skid up top, by the way.
Shot right there.
He went to zone.
Two guys left. I think you knocked one too. They're both in that little building right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nope.
That's one.
Weak.
You need to get
Right there.
moving.
Five button. That is
In
one.
the door. There you go.
You got yours?
Yeah, I got mine.
Nice. Good boys.
Accomplished.
Noise. That was in hell in the beginning, bro.
26. Alright, boy, my 10 is drop 20. Come on.